Hello Xellux, let us journey together into the amazing world of Flash Fill. Let's dive in. The first thing we need to do here, we have the emails that are here. We have the first name, last name, and initials. So the first thing to do to see the amazing work of Flash Fill is to start from first name. What's the first name there in the email? Is Alice. So I'll tap Alex here. Press my tab key to the next cell. Then I'll tap Jansen. So that is Jansen there. Jansen. Okay, that is Jansen. So what's the initial now? We have AJ. So we have AJ. So that is it. Now let's see the wonders of Flash Fill. Okay, I will do this. What you just need to do is just to press Ctrl E on your keyboard. Are you ready? Let's see it. Ctrl E, Yaxi. Go to the next cell. Ctrl E, Yaxi. The last one, Ctrl E, Yaxi. Do you see that? That is so wonderful. Flash Fill is an amazing function. It makes work more easier, less stress-free, and more. See you in next class. Remember, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Light up.